Hello my dear students, welcome back to the video lesson. I am Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you exercise 11A of lesson number 11. The topic of the lesson is rounding off, and in this exercise we will learn how to round off whole numbers. So let's get started. Children, when we round off whole numbers, we have to follow certain steps. So what are these steps? Let us see. Step number 1 is, if the digit on the right of the rounding place is the place where we have to do the round off. So if the digit on the right of the rounding place is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Else, do not change the digit at the rounding place. The next step is, replace all digits to the right of the rounding place by zeros. Now children, let's come to exercise 11A and let's do question number 3 of this exercise. So, in question number 3, we have to round off to the nearest 1000. So, what is the first number? Well, we will do the D part of question number 3. Here, the number is 77,497 and we have to round off this number to the nearest 1000. So, let us see how we are going to do this. The digit to the right of the 1000 place, that is 1000 place is the rounding place. So we have to see what is the digit to the right of the rounding place. Well, the digit to the right of the rounding place or the thousands place in 77,497 is 4. Now children, 4 is less than 5. So we are not going to change the digit at the rounding off place, that is at the thousands place. And the digit at the thousands place is 7. So we will not change this 7. That is, we will not add 1 to 7. Therefore, 77,494 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 77,000. Right? So here we have replaced all the digits to the right of the rounding place, that is to the right of the thousands place, by 0. Therefore, 77,494 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 77,000. Now let's do the E part of question number 3. Here we have the number 9,10,734 and again we have to round off this number to the nearest 1000. So children, the digit to the right of the thousands place in 9,10,734 is 7. And 7 is greater than 5. So children, what we will do? Well, we will add 1 to 0. 0 is the digit at the rounding off place, which is the thousands place. So we will add 1 to 0 and now 0 plus 1 will become 1. So now we have 1 at the thousands place. And then we will replace all the digits to the right of the thousand place by 0. And therefore, 9,10,734 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 9,11,000. Now children, let's come to question number 4 of this exercise 11A. So the question number 4 is round off. We will do in question number 4 B part. So in B part, what is the what is the question? Well, we have to round off two numbers, 61,92,582 and 1,55,66,234 to the nearest lakh. So first, we will take the first number, that is 61,92,582. So we have to round off this number to the nearest lakh. So first of all, let us see what is the digit at the rounding off place, that is at the lakh place. So the digit at the lakh place is 1. And now the digit to the right of the lakhs place in 661,92,582 is 9. And children, 9 is bigger than 5. So what we are going to do? We are going to add 1 to the digit at the lakh place, which is the rounding off place. And therefore, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And we will replace all the digits to the right of the rounding place, that is to the right of the lakh place, by 0. Therefore, 61,92,582 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 62 lakh. And now children, let's see another number, the second number. So the second number is 1,55,66,234. Again, we have to round off this number to the nearest lakh. So the digit at the lakh place is 5 and the digit to the right of the lakh place in 1,55,66,234 is 6. And children, 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, we are going to add 1 to the digit at the rounding off place, that is at the lakhs place. Therefore, the digit at the lakhs place is 5. So, we will add 1 to 5 and it will become 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And then we will replace all the digits to the right of the lakh place by 0. So, 1,55,66,234 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 1,56 lakh. Now children, let's come to the fifth question of exercise 11A. So here we have 36,48,271 rounded off to B part. The nearest 10,000 is, so let us see, when we round off 36,48,271 to the nearest 10,000 place, what do we get? So first of all, the digit at the 10,000 place is 4 and the digit to the right of the 10,000 place in 36,48,271 is 8. And children, 8 is bigger than 5, right? So, what we will do? We will add 1 to the digit at the 10,000 place, which is 4. So, 4 plus 1 will become 5 and we will replace the rest of the digit to the right of the rounding place by 0. Okay, so 36,48,271 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is 36,50,000. Now let's do the C part of this question. So here again we have to round off 36,48,271 to the nearest lakh. So now let us see what is the digit at the lakh place. Well, the digit at the lakh place is 6. And children, the digit to the right of the lakhs place in 36,48,271 is 4. Now children, 4 is less than 5, right? So, we are not going to add 1 to the digit at the lakh place, which is the rounding off place, and therefore the digit at the lakh place is 6. It will remain 6 and we will replace all the digits to the right of the rounding place or to the right of the lakh place by 0. Therefore, 36,48,271 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 36 lakh. Now children, let us do the sixth question. Here we have to choose the correct option. And the question is, rounding off 47,859 to the nearest thousand gives option number. There are 4 options for this question. Option number A is 50,000, B 47,000, C 48,000 and D 47,900, and so we have to find out which is the correct option. So children, we have to round off 47,859 to the nearest thousand. So first of all, let us see what is the digit at the thousand place. The digit at the thousand place is 7. And now children, the digit to the right of the thousands place in 47,859 is 8. And children, 8 is bigger than 5. So what we are going to do? We will add 1 to the digit at the thousands place. That is, we will add 1 to 7. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And we will replace all the digits to the right of the thousand place by 0. And therefore, 47,859 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 48,000. So our correct option is C. Now let's see question number 7. Rounding off 2,43,210 to the nearest lakh gives options are option number. Again, we have 4 options for this question. Option number A is 2 lakh. Option number B is 2,44,000. Option number C is 2,40,000. And option number D is 3 lakh. So let us see which is the correct option. Now children, we have to round off 2,43,210 to the nearest lakh place. So what is the digit at the lakhs place? Well, the digit at the lakhs place is 2, right? And now children, the digit to the right of the lakhs place in 2,43,210 is 4. And 4 is less than 5. So children, we are not going to change the digit at the lakh place. That is, we are not going to add 1 to the digit at the lakh place, which is 2. And we will replace all the digits to the right of the lakhs place by 0. So 2,43,210 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 2 lakh. So our option A is correct. Now children, let's do question number 8. Here, rounding off 9 crore 95 lakh 74,623 to the nearest 10 lakh gives options are A 10 crore, B 9 crore, C 9 crore 90 lakhs, D 9 crore 96 lakh. So let us find out which is the correct option. So children, in this number 9 crore 95 lakh 74,623, the digit to the rounding of place, which is the 10 lakh place, the digit at the 10 lakh place is 9. And children, the digit to the right of the 10 lakhs place in 9 crore 95 lakh 74,623 is 5. And children, 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, what we are going to do? We are going to add 1 to the digit at the 10 lakhs place. So, we will add 1 to 9 and we will replace the rest of the digit to the right of the rounding of place, which is the 10 lakh place, by 0. So, 9 crore 95 lakh 74,623 rounded off to the nearest 10 lakh is 10 crore. So our option A is correct. So this way children, we have come to the end of our video lesson. I hope you have very well understood all the sums which have been explained in this video lesson, and the concept of rounding off the whole number is also very well understood by you all. Thank you my dear students. Keep watching, keep learning.